records or documents, nandyan na rin po. There's no need to create another manhunt team to track down Senator Bato de la Rosa because existing na yan nandyan.
Pero may lead na po ba tayo kung nasaan po siya ngayon?
All possible leads, all informations we are pursuing, and the Philippine National Police is pursuing either minute, whether siya ito ay kausap, known address, known whereabouts, at lagi niyang pinupuntahan, kinakausap niya ay ating pinupursu.
Nadagdagan po ba yung mga plano natin sampahan po ng obstruction of justice aside po kay Senator Robin Hood Padilla?
Remember that the PNP we have investigated the incident in the Senate. So when we had a press briefing, first was May 14 is a Thursday, 15, 16, 17, 18 is a Monday. We presented the timeline that is, kung hindi Monday or Tuesday, we have presented the timeline that is our investigation from May 12 to May 14 of 2:30 a.m. Okay, and it ended there, and we have transmitted the records of investigation to the Department of Justice 2 days after that meeting. So within that week, we have transmitted already the records. So what are the records? Ito na yung diniscuss natin na May 12 up to May 14, 2:30. When we say records of investigation, nandun na po yung lahat. The video, documented video, meaning may affidavit dyan and saan ang galing. Records or documents, nandyan na rin po, as well as result of the laboratory or forensic activities coming from the forensic group and other testimonies that will establish the fact. So ito po ay pinorward natin sa Department of Justice for whatever case that deemed necessary kung pwedeng mag-file, whether criminal or administrative, to personalities who are there in the Senate.